Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. What I'm working on today is this Yale Superior 3-star. It's a 9-pin dimple with 4 sliders. So go in and just go ahead and just give everybody a little feel for a binder and just just got that is I believe a T pin in the back. I just probably got up into the T pin section. So now I'm just trying to set all the standard pins now. Alright, I just dropped into another deeper fault set. So let's check the sliders and see if they're ready or if I still need to pick some more. I feel like they're binding. Maybe not. Let's see. A bit of a push. Okay. Well, maybe not. So they're not binding hard, they're just starting to, but I don't think they're. I think we still got to get something else picked up top. Go all the way to the back, check that T-pin in the back. Giving everybody a good check on the way. Just feel like I may need a little bit deeper. Alright, there's that barrel I think at the front is holding me up. Let's check them now. Alright, they're binding, feel to be binding pretty tightly. And there you have it. It's open. So we can go all the way around. We'll use the tensioner to keep the pins out of the way. So there it is. Alright, so I'm probably going to fast forward through the gutting and show you all the pins at the end. So give me just a minute and I'll show you the pins. All right, so there are the pins. All the key pins are standard. They got this just to keep them from falling too deep into the plug, the little kind of mill in there. Probably an anti-bump too, if I had to guess. There's the barrel pin at the beginning, all standards, and the one T-pin at the back. The sliders all just have true gates, no false gates. I say no false gaze, but I'm not sure what that cut there is, but it doesn't really play any role in it. So the sidebar is solid. There's sidebar springs. There's some anti-drill for the plug. Let's see where it's plugged. That goes. Oops, sorry. That goes in this big slot here. It goes all the way through. You can see there, so pretty good drill protection there. This pin here is drill protection right at the beginning of the top of the Bible. So it drops right into that slot there for drill protection. Let's see. Make sure I show that. It's right there. There is another little ball bearing on top of the plug. Let's see. Right there for drill protection. I think it looks like it may be pretty pressed in, so not going to try too hard. It'll come out, but I'm gonna leave it in. So that's it. 9 key pins, 4 sliders, and make sure. Let's see, there is the key that goes with it. So, all right. Thanks for watching.